Welcome back, guys, for another interesting segment of our color psychology in Adobe Illustrator. So I believe you are following the part 1 or part 2, and this is going to be the final part in our color psychology in Adobe Illustrator. So press Ctrl plus 0. Zoom in the entire canvas on the top. So now, in this regard, I want to show you guys how you can obtain color from the nature and use it for your design. So all you have to do is to go for the tab here, you go to File, click on Place. Yes. So in this regard, I'm going to use this. Click on Place. Right. From here. Right. So you can start to play around with the nature and the color. So let's try and draw another shape style. Go to toolbar from the top tab here, and I'll select Center now. Press that Control key to draw a perfect circle. Press that Control key. You can make a duplicate with a number of places. I press alternative key on my keyboard and try to drag. So let me zoom the camera. Right. So now let me try and see how we can fill this shape with different kind of nature color. So all you have to do is to select the first one here, and I'll go to my toolbar. I'll select eye color dropper now, or eye dropper. Then I'll select this like that. Okay, this kind of dark green, and I'll select this follow object here. Go back to the toolbar and select eye drop. Select this type of dark, this was too dark, this type of pink. Select this again. Eye color drop. So the camera like that. It's too dark. Okay. Go back to this. So we can select this now. Okay. Select this. Hide dropper. And click this now. Right, so this is how you obtain color from nature to another shape style in Illustrator and try to use it for your design. So we can go to our toolbar now can select our text tools and come here, type nature. Nature color. So we can try to fill all this color into the text one after the other. Still the same process. Eyedropper. So you can select this, this, or this, or this color, or this color. Very much look nice. And one thing is that if you are making use of a JPEG logo, you still follow the same procedure now how you obtain color, like color psychology stuff like that in Adobe Illustrator. So this is where we are going to stop our color psychology class in Adobe Illustrator, and I believe very much that you guys are learning something new in color and color psychology in Adobe Illustrator. All you have to do is to take much of your time and study every process I follow. I mean, every process I try to apply in this class or in our Adobe Illustrator, and apply it to your own practical and see how best you can combine color and how best you can try to match color in the gradient when you are working in your Adobe Illustrator. I believe so much you enjoy and learn the very vital information as far as Adobe Illustrator color psychology is concerned in this class. So if you have any question, you can put your question back to me, then I will try as much as possible to reply every necessary question. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. So thank you for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.